Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Sweet Orchard Farm dolls. We found these dolls at Walmart. I am loving this farm theme. I see a lot of orange and red, yellow and denim, with a little bit of pink sprinkled in. This would have been a fun fashion pack collection. You know how I love fashion packs. Did you notice how my overalls help me to totally blend in? Let's start with the Chelsea size dolls. These were $6.88 each. The packaging is molded to fit the doll. Let's get these dolls out of the box for a closer look. Whoa, that's pretty cool. There are no fasteners or anything on the inside. The doll is very easy to unbox. This doll has soft curly hair with a pink headband, a red sculpted top with a blue jean bib printed onto the front, a blue skirt with an elastic waistband, pink boots, and she comes with a yellow baby chick. This doll has long blonde hair that is curled on the ends. She wears a lavender rubber band, a sculpted top with a lamb on the front, faux denim skirt, lavender sneakers, and she has a red watering can. These single dolls were $9.94 each. I can see that they all come with an accessory. On the back of the box, there are pictures of other dolls available in this collection. Aw man, he is the only one I couldn't find. But we were able to find the other three, so let's take a closer look. These dolls are held down with plastic stays, so we have to take our time and free them. Out of the box, the doll on the left has golden blonde hair with green eyes, a floral shirt that has a little tie in the front, faux denim shorts, green wellies. She comes with a brown basket and apples to go inside. The doll in the middle has curly hair, brown eyes, and freckles, has on an orange top, a floral overall dress, teal wellies, a silver watering can, and a tan hat. The top and the overall are sewn together and Velcro in the back. So it's all one piece. Here is a Ken doll with sculpted hair and freckles. He wears an orange shirt with blue trim, overalls with printed details. The shirt and the overalls are two separate pieces, so that is awesome. He comes with brown shoes, a teal Barbie bucket with a silver handle, and a cutout of corn and apples. That is made of paperboard. I am loving all of this orange and denim. Barbie and her sisters bring us more denim and orange with these combo packs. These were $19.88 each. On the back of the box, it shows a picture of the other dolls and accessories. Out of the box, Skipper and Stacy are dressed for barn chores. Skipper is wearing a faux denim vest, gray tank top, and orange pants with an elastic waistband. She wears brown shoes and comes with two baby chicks. Stacy is wearing a yellow dress with polka dots and chickens, a faux denim apron that ties in the back, brown boots. She carries a pink basket with paperboard eggs. Barbie and Chelsea are paired together for the other set. Chelsea has on a pink sculpted top with a blue skirt and red boots. Barbie is wearing a red plaid shirt with a printed collar and buttons. It velcros in the back. She has faux denim pants that stop just past the knee, brown boots, and a red headscarf. These two come with a red wagon, which is adorable. You can pull it and the wheels really turn. And they come with carrots. The wagon is big enough for Chelsea and the chicks to sit in and go for a ride. Woohoo! You know what? These dolls will look great with our doll berry farm. We made this video a while back, and it is totally perfect for our Sweet Orchard Farm dolls. we can pretend like they are picking berries to sell at the farmer's market. All of these dolls have the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. I just had an idea. If we take Ken's shirt and her shorts, place it on Barbie for some Annabeth Chase vibes. Overall, I like the colors used for the fashion, and I like how the accessories are colors that you might see in real life. And I'm excited to see what's next for the Barbie Sweet Orchard Farm. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.